Okay, so we're sailing towards Cane Garden Bay, which is down that way beyond where you can see the mountains, and then it's the hazy mountains. The bay is in there. About 17-mile-an-hour winds. Just have the mainsail up. We're doing about 7 knots with just it, which is great. Off and on rain, but that's okay. Following seas. Over that island is Josh Van Dyke, which is where Foxy's is, and White Bay, and several other cool places. Bubbling springs. That island way over there, straight ahead, is actually St. John. And North America is that way. We saw 3 boats heading off to go back to the United States from the British Virgin Islands. This is looking at the boat. It's a Lagoon 380, 38 foot long, probably 20-something foot wide. Very, very nice boat. Nice boat. I like it a lot. So, with these waves, you can still rather comfortably walk. The memory's going to be a hard time for not holding on, because I do have slick shoes. Did you turn off the wind?
No. What? Oh, okay, so that's the entrance.
Where?
Right there, radio masts map. Whoops. Is that what you marked?
Yeah, marked right at the turn.
Okay. Awesome. So we just got to go around the